Hello students, this is AH Academy Maths Tuitions from Andhra Pradesh, Kurnool, India. Now we are giving the coaching for 10+2 and intermediate, first AB, second AB maths. It is useful for CBSE and NCERT students. Now please like, share and subscribe to my channel. We will start our chapter integration. What is the integration? Here I indicated 4 cases are there. First case, 7 formulas are there. Already we have indicated there. Integration, the first formula is integration x power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Second one is integration e power x is equal to e power x plus c. Third one is integration a power x dx is equal to a power x by log a plus c. Integration 1 dx is equal to x plus c. Fifth one is integration 1 by x dx is equal to log of mod x plus c. Integration 1 by root of x dx is equal to 2 root x plus c. Seventh one is integration root of x dx is equal to 2 by 3 x power 3 by 2 plus c. This is the first case formulas. Now second case formulas are there. Second case formulas is depending on trigonometry. What is that? First one is integration sin x dx is equal to minus cos x plus c. Second one is integration cos x dx is equal to sin x plus c. Third one is integration secant square x dx is equal to tan x plus c. And fourth one is integration cosecant square x dx is equal to minus cot x plus c. Fifth one is integration secant x into tan x dx is equal to secant x plus c. And sixth one is integration cosecant x into cot x dx is equal to minus cosecant x plus c. This is the second case formulas is there. Now in the third case, this is depending on hyperbolic functions are there. In the hyperbolic function, some important formulas are there. Integration, number one formula, integration sin hx dx is equal to cos hx plus c. Number 2, integration cos hx dx is equal to sin hx plus c. And third one is integration secant h square x dx is equal to tan hx plus c. Fourth one is integration cosecant h square x dx is equal to minus cot hx plus c. And also fifth, integration secant hx into tan hx dx is equal to minus secant hx plus c. Sixth, integration cosecant hx into cot hx dx is equal to minus cosecant hx plus c. These are case number 3 formulas are there. Now integration, I am dividing 4 cases are there. If you learn these cases thoroughly, you can do all the problems easily, integration and definite integrations also. Now fourth case is, it is very important case, you remember. So here the first formula is 1 by a square plus x square dx. Remember, this is very important formula is there, is equal to 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. Number 2, 1 by a square minus x square, a square minus x square dx is equal to 1 by 2a log of mod a plus x by a minus x plus c. Here logical formula is there. I will show how to remember this formula also. I will explain to you. Integration x square minus a square dx is equal to 1 by 2a log of mod x minus a by x plus a plus c. Here you remember these formulas. Constant symbol is there, plus log of first a plus x by a minus x. In the third formula, constant symbol is minus is there. We will remember x minus a by x plus a plus c. This is the formula. But here fourth formula is there. This is the without root formulas, but here is the root formula is there. What is that? A square plus x square dx. A square plus x square dx. Here sin h inverse x plus c. When we see the hyperbolic formula is there, then it is second formula is there. We can write here log of x plus root of a square plus x square plus c plus c. And fifth one is integration 1 by root of x square minus a square dx is equal to cos h inverse x by a plus c, or log of mod x plus root of x square minus a square plus c. Sixth formula, integration 1 by root of a square minus x square dx is equal to sin inverse x by a plus c. These are the very important formulas. Case number 1, case number 2, case number 3. You remember this is very important formula to you. First case is 7 formulas is there. Case why we are dividing here case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4, because the students can understand easily, and also this case means you think about here 7 formulas is there in the first case. You remember these are very important formulas, and case number 2 is trigonometry formulas is there. So these are 6 formulas are there. We are not discussing here integration secant x, integration cosecant x, and integration tan x, integration cot x. Why? Because these formulas are using in the problem. I will show how we will do that one. First of all, in the case number 2, you should remember 6 formulas. These are very important formulas. And case number 3, here also useful for hyperbolic functions formulas are there. Trigonometry and hyperbolic functions are there. Here also 6 formulas are there. These formulas are very important. You should have to remember whenever fourth case is there. Here in the denominator, root or without root formulas are there. You remember these are very important formulas. If you learn these type of formulas, these cases you remember in your mind, then I will give you a sure you can complete integration and definite integration. 75% is completed and 25% is there. Another remaining formulas are there. I will explain to you, but these are very important formulas you should have to remember. So case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4, these are very important. Today we will start the first chapter, but today I will stop here because you should have to remember these formulas thoroughly. Tomorrow I will explain 6A exercise, how we will do in our second B, mathematics second B, 6th A chapter we will start. 6th A exercise we will start. Okay, you remember these formulas and learn thoroughly. ఇక్కడ నేను చెప్పబోయే ఫార్ములా ఏమిటంటే, ప్రతి ఒక్కరూ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ అనే చాప్టర్ మీ ముందుకు వచ్చినట్లయితే ముఖ్యంగా 4 కేసెస్ ఫార్ములాస్ని నేను ఇక్కడ ఇండికేట్ చేశాను. ఫస్ట్ కేస్, సెకండ్ కేస్, థర్డ్ కేస్ అండ్ ఫోర్త్ కేస్. ఈ స్టూడెంట్స్ నేను తెలుగులో కూడా ఎందుకు చెప్తున్నానంటే, తెలుగు మీడియం స్టూడెంట్స్ ఆర్ తెలుగులో అర్థం చేసుకోవాలి అని చెప్తున్నాను. ఫస్ట్ కేసులో 7 ఫార్ములాస్ ఉంటాయి. దీన్ని మీరు కంఠస్థం చేయాల్సిందే, తప్పదు. అండ్ కేస్ నెంబర్ 2లో 6 ఉంటాయి, కేస్ నెంబర్ 3లో 6 ఉంటాయి, కేస్ నెంబర్ 4లో 6 ఫార్ములాస్ ఉంటాయి. దీన్ని మీరు బాగా అర్థం చేసుకొని ఫస్ట్ ఈ ఫార్ములాస్ని బై హార్ట్ చేయండి. బై హార్ట్ చేసిన తర్వాత దీన్ని ఎలా యూజ్ చేయాలి అన్నది నేను చూపిస్తాను. यहाँ पर हम लोग इंटीग्रेशन का चैप्टर स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं. ये CBSE एंड NCERT के लिए भी काम आता है. इंटीग्रेशन में हम लोग जब भी इंटीग्रेशन याद करेंगे तो केसेस फार्मूलास याद कर लेना. फर्स्ट केस, सेकंड केस, थर्ड केस एंड फोर्थ केस. फर्स्ट केस 7 फार्मूलास है यहाँ पर, एंड सेकंड केस में 6 फार्मूलास, थर्ड केस में 6 फार्मूलास एंड फोर्थ केस में 6 फार्मूलास. सो इसको अगर से आप लोग अच्छे तरह से अगर से पढ़ लेंगे और इसको अच्छा याद कर लेंगे तो रिमाइनिंग प्रॉब्लम्स किस तरह से करते हम लोग कल स्टार्ट करेंगे. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आई विल स्टॉप हियर, कंटिन्यू टुमारो. थैंक यू वेरी मच.